ISSA, the experts on cleaning and maintenance, an international association of 3,000 companies manufacturing and distributing cleaning and maintenance products, presents Warewashing Sanitation. In the background of the food servicing industry, a vital process is continuously taking place. The maintenance of immaculate kitchens, spick and span food storage areas, and sparkling dishes and glasses is an everlasting job for the food purveyor. Therefore, food service operations are highly dependent upon a smooth-running warewash system. If clean dishes, glasses, and silverware cannot be produced, the whole serving process may be stalled. The warewashing system is made up of three basic components. These components are the equipment used, the dishwasher and dispensing equipment, the cleaning products, the warewashing chemicals, and operator procedures. To achieve consistent, high-quality results requires the proper balance between equipment, products, and procedure. This training program will explain the three basic components of warewashing and how to ensure that you will achieve the proper results and reduce operational costs. All machine dishwashers function by pumping a heated alkaline detergent solution over, under, and around the dishes, cups, and flatware, followed by a freshwater rinse. The more complex machines may have an additional pre-wash function, extra wash sections, and/or a power pre-rinse. There are basically three main types of dish machines. Single rack or door type machines take a single rack of dishes and run them through timed wash and rinse cycles. Single tank conveyor machines, in which the racks of soiled dishes are conveyed through the machine by a drive mechanism. The wash solution is recycled continuously from the wash tank, and the freshwater rinse is activated as racks pass through the rinse section. With this machine, the wash action is continuous, so racks may be fed in without stopping. Multi-tank conveyor machines use additional recirculating pre-wash and power rinse sections to enhance soil removal and speed the cleaning process. A special type of these machines is the rackless peg type, or flight conveyor, which does not need racks, and where the dishes, glasses, etc. are placed directly on a series of spaced pegs which form a continuous conveyor. All three machine types are also available in low-temperature versions. These low-temp models are designed to save energy by using lower wash and rinse water temperatures. They do this by eliminating the booster heater found on traditional high-temperature dish machines. In high-temperature machines, the dishes, glassware, and other utensils are sanitized during the rinse cycle using 180-degree water. Low-temperature machines use 120-degree wash water and 140-degree rinse water. To sanitize dishes with low-temperature machines, the National Sanitation Foundation, NSF, requires an approved chemical sanitizer, generally sodium hypochlorite, to be used in addition to the normal detergent and rinse agents. Warewash chemicals include a highly alkaline detergent, which may be either a powder or liquid. Normally, the product will be metered into the washer by a special electronic dispenser. The dispenser monitors the strength of the detergent solution in the washer and automatically adds product as the solution is depleted by soil and overflow. Many of these detergents contain chlorine to aid in soil removal, and all should be treated with caution when handled. The job of the detergent solution in the washer is to dissolve soil, control hard water mineral content, and depress foam that could otherwise arise from the machine spray agitation and interfere with proper washing action. Rinse aids, also known as drying agents, are generally a liquid which is injected into the final rinse section or cycle of the washer in very small quantities by a pump. They reduce surface tension and cause the rinse water to sheet off the tableware faster and more evenly, speeding drying time and eliminating spotting. Pre-soak detergents provide a solution which can be used to soak soiled tableware before machine washing. These products are generally mild enough for hand use and are used as a pre-treatment for difficult soils, such as egg yolk and pasta. Special pre-soak solutions are available to detarnish silver pieces and even safely destain plastic cups and coffee pots. The correct products and their use rates will depend on the local water conditions, soil types, and levels. ISSA members are familiar with efficient combinations of effective products which will produce the best results for your operation. Operator procedures will consistently give good results only if correct methods are always applied. A carefully developed system of procedures will minimize the amount of poorly cleaned tableware, thereby saving the cost of unnecessary supplies, energy, and time. This system of procedures begins with scraping. Scraping removes the bulk of food soil from the tableware before it goes through the dishwasher and is essential even though the equipment may have pre-wash or pre-scraper sections. This step is done by hand or after racking with a hand-activated shower-type pre-rinse nozzle using a water temperature no greater than 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorting, which is the separation of food utensils into types or groups in which they are stored or dispensed, is an activity that can be done either by personnel returning the soiled dishware to the soiled dish table or by the operator as part of the scraping process. Sorted tableware can be racked faster and more often it will be racked correctly. Any dishes or utensils that have hard-to-remove soils should be pre-soaked. Pre-soaking may be used for various purposes, namely, to soften food soil or to keep food soil from hardening if the dishes are not washed shortly after use. To store rejects and soften the food soil on the rejects until such times as they are redone. To supplement washing particular problemware, such as casseroles or egg dishes and forks which collect food soil between the tines or prongs. To periodically clean utensils of such stains as coffee, metal marks, or to remove lime buildup. It is essential that the operator know how to rack correctly, as the procedure is one of the most important steps. The machine racks, or conveyors, are designed to handle a definite load of dishes. Underloading causes the machine to run an excessive amount of time and reduces the maximum operating speed in dishes per hour. Overloading causes an incomplete wash and rinse action. Dishes and all flatware should be stacked at a 10-degree angle in the racks so that they lean back with the face or soiled surface of the dish exposed to the upper spray arm. This ensures direct spray effect on the face of the dish. For improved washing, tableware should be racked according to size and face the intake of the machine. Cups, bowls, and all hollow tableware should be inverted when passing through the machine. Silverware should be racked upright with the eating end up. This allows better wash and rinse action and better drainage for drying. Do not overload racks or silver cylinders, especially if silver is pre-sorted. They will not wash or rinse properly, and there is also a chance of bending the silver. While the dishwasher is in use, the operator must periodically check to see that there is enough detergent and rinse aid in the machine's reservoirs. Remove food scraps from scrap trays before they get clogged. The underwater feed and overflows should be checked to be certain that they're not clogged. All wash and rinse temperatures should be monitored. Maintain the pre-flush or pre-scrape temperature of 90 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The wash temperature, 150 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The power rinse cycle, 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and the final rinse temperature, 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. On low temperature equipment, the wash cycle at 120 degrees Fahrenheit and rinse at 140 degrees. After clean tableware is discharged from the dishwashing machine, they should be allowed to drain and dry before removal from the rack. Tableware on a peg conveyor are removed from the end of the conveyor to ensure maximum draining period. Plates and bowls are handled by holding the outside edges and silverware by the handles. Cups are picked up by the handles. Proper handling preserves the cleanliness of the washed dishes. White canvas gloves should be worn by the person handling the clean dishes. Gloves protect the hands from cuts and burns and also ensure proper sanitary handling of the clean dishes. Clean gloves should be worn daily. Cleaning procedures for the machine and surrounding areas are carried out on a daily basis. The daily machine cleaning steps are: turn off the detergent dispenser, rinse injector, and the machine's heat sources. Open the drain valve on all tanks and remove soiled water. If this is done while the tank is still hot, less surface scum will adhere to the walls of the wash tank. Remove wash arms. Flush out to remove any food scraps or debris that may be clogging them. Double check to be certain that wash arms and nozzles are completely clean. Under heavy load conditions, it will probably be necessary to flush out the wash arms after each meal, or even more often, especially in establishments where the machine is operated almost continuously. The arms in the power rinse section should also be removed and flushed out. Remove the scrap trays and overflow pipes. Flush and scrub clean. Make sure all openings are free of any refuse. Remove curtains. These may be cleaned by placing them on a dish table, scrubbing with a detergent solution, and rinsing. The curtains should not be replaced, and the doors should be left open overnight, allowing the circulation of air through the machine to promote drying. Clean rinse jets of particles that may be blocking them. Flush out the interior of the machine with hot water to remove any food debris. Use a brush and a detergent solution to clean the inner parts of the machine. It may be necessary periodically to descale the interior of the machine. Your ISSA member can assist in establishing the correct procedures for your particular situation. Clean the exterior of the machine with a mild detergent solution, rinsing with clear water, and drying with a clean cloth or paper towel. Do not clean while the surface is hot. If you have any additional questions concerning warewashing sanitation or any other cleaning or maintenance procedure, your ISSA member is here to be of assistance. This concludes Warewashing Sanitation from ISSA, the experts on cleaning and maintenance.